Welcome. If you're looking to delete your Discord account, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to get it done easily on your Android device. Let's dive in. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on You. This will take you to your account settings. Next, at the top right, you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and tap that to access the settings menu. This section is where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Account. Tap on it to proceed. This area contains all the vital information regarding your account, including the deletion option. As you scroll down, you'll notice the Delete Account option. Tap on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your password for confirmation. Make sure to enter it carefully, then hit OK to finalize the deletion process. And that's it. Your Discord account will be on its way to being deleted. Just keep in mind, once you delete your account, all of your messages, servers, and friends will be permanently removed. So make sure you're really ready to take that step. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a great day.